Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today our topic is exercise 2.2 in the sets chapter of the 10th class. The first question is, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Find A intersection B, B intersection A, and also find are they equal. So A intersection B. In the intersection we should take only the common terms. The common terms are 1, 2 and 3. In the same way, B intersection A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Are they equal? So both of these are equal. We can conclude that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. The second question is, if A is equal to 0, 2, 4, find A intersection of empty set and A intersection A. What do you notice from the result? A intersection empty set is, it doesn't have any common values between the sets A and the empty set. So A intersection empty set is also the empty set. A intersection A is, all the common terms are 0, 2, 4. So A intersection is A. We can conclude that A intersection empty set is empty set and A intersection A is always A. Third question is, if set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and B set is 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, find A minus B and B minus A. A minus B is, we should take the elements which are present only in A. So the elements are 2, 4, 8 and 10. All these 4 elements are present only in A and not in B. Now B minus A is, we should take the elements which are present only in B and not in A. Now we should take 3, 9, 12, 15. 6 is present in A also. So we should not take 6. We can conclude that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. Let us move to question number 4. Fourth question is, if A and B are two sets, A is subset of B. Then what is A union B, and explain it by giving example. Here given A is subset of B, we should take the set A. Let us take it as 1, 2, 3. As A is subset of B, all the elements in A should be in B also. So set B be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let us find A union B. A union B is, we should take all the individual elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All these terms are present in A and B. So A union B is B. Fifth question is, if A is X is a natural number and set B is X is an even number, even natural number. C, X is an odd natural number and D, X is a prime number. Then find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C and C intersection D. Now let us write the sets A, B, C, D in the roster form first. As X is a natural number, we wrote from 1 to 10 and so on. Now B is an even natural number. Let us take the even numbers only, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and so on. The odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and so on. D is the prime numbers. The prime numbers here are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. First question is A intersection B. That is, we should take only the common elements which are present in both A and B. The common elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, which is equal to B. Second one is A intersection C. We should take the common elements which are present both in A and C. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on, which is equal to C. Again, the third one is A intersection D is asked. We should take the common elements which are present only in A and D both. That is 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on, which is answer is D for this. Fourth one is B intersection C. The common elements which are present in both B and C are, no common element is present. So this is a empty set. A and B intersection C is empty set. Fifth one is C intersection D. The common elements in C and D are 3, 5, 7 and so on. Sixth question is B intersection D. The common elements in B and D are 2. No other element is common. So the answer is only, it is a singleton set 2. Sixth question is, if set A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, set B is set C and set D. All these are given. Now we should find 10 questions are given in sixth question. Let us solve 5 of those. First question is A minus B. the elements which are present in only A should be taken. So the common element should not be taken. So A minus B is 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. As this, we should not take 12 as this is present in B. A minus D. We should take the elements which are present in A and not in B. They are 3, 6, 9, 12. We should not take 15 and we should take 18 and 21. This is A minus D. Next one is C minus A. We should take the elements which are present only in C and not in A. So the answer is 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 18. Sorry, 16 here. C minus A is 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16. Seventh question is B minus C. The elements which are present in only B and not in C. All the elements of B are present in C except 20. So this is a singleton set. Ninth question is C minus B. All the elements which are present in C and not in B should be taken. So C minus B is 2, 6, 10, 14. Because 4, 8 are also present in B. So we should not take 4 and 8. 5 is done for you and rest 5 do it yourself. Let us move to question number 7. Seventh question is state whether the following statements is true or false. Justify your answer. First question is first set 2, 3, 4, 5 and second set is 3, 6 are disjoint sets. This is false because there is a common element 3 here. Because let us consider this set as A and this set as B here. A intersection B is 3. So this is not the disjoint sets. The answer is false. Second question is A, E, I, O, U, A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. This is also false because there is a common element A. Third one 2, 6, 10, 14. 3, 7, 11 and 15 are the disjoint sets. Yes, this is true because all the elements in this are even numbers and all the elements in this are odd numbers. There is no element present if intersection is taken. So this is true. Fourth question is 2, 6, 10 and 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. This is also true because no common element is there in this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1 channel and also press bell icon to get notified.